Okay, first step here, get the x terms on the right, the y terms on the left. So 1 over y squared dy is 9x squared dx. Then I can integrate both sides. On the left, integral of y negative 2 dy. On the right, 9x cubed plus c over 3. So we get here then y, I add 1 to the power over negative 1,